Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I'm going to be unboxing a new paint by numbers kit. This kit has come from Ledge Bay. You can purchase kits from their website and I will put details up on the screen and in the description for you. But if you are a UK shopper, if you are a UK shopper, then you will need to purchase from their Amazon store. So you can pop their name, Ledge Bay, into Amazon and it will bring up their paint by number products and accessories for you to try. When I've just been and checked and I can't find this kit on there anymore, but I found one that's very similar, so I will put details for that should you wish to check it out. So this is this came in Amazon packaging and then very lovely sturdy tubing as well, so we'll get into that. This painting is called Cosmos from the Garden and is 20 inches by 16 inches. So we will see. Oh, I'm always a little wary of a folded canvas, but hopefully that will be fine. Loving this tube. Oh, not loving that squeak, but loving the tube. Definitely, you know, great for storage and for reusing. So yeah, they've had to, oh okay, it's not so bad. They have folded the edges of the canvas, but outside of the painting area. I don't mind that, that's fine. Because I'm not going to paint on that bit, so it's all good. Whoa, this is tiny and detailed. So let's just pop these edges out. So I will, I'll pop a picture up on the screen of what this will look like when it's finished. One of the things that drew me to this company is that they have licensed art. It is so important that wherever possible, and it isn't always possible to, you know, not everybody's got time to go digging around the depths of the internet to check whether that particular painting that seemed like such a great deal is going to be licensed. But then there are other paintings that you get to know what companies stock what artists, and you just know what to be wary of. In this case, they are proud to announce, you know, licensing Judy Buswell, and that this canvas is Cosmos from the Garden. Alongside, we get our instructions, lovely and big, explaining how to get started, best ways to work. And it's really nice that these aren't on a teeny tiny piece of paper that's been folded up 1,000 times. That does sometimes happen. We have also got a smaller version. Sorry, this is just all white on white and you're not really able to see anything, are you? You can see a little bit now if I come in closer. So this is a miniature, essentially, of the paint by numbers. You could, if you wished, when you're done with the paint by numbers, use this as a colour by numbers. However, it's designed so that if you paint over some of these numbers by mistake, you can then check on this schematic so you can see where you needed to paint what numbers. What else we get? Oh, this is nice. We get a photo quality print in miniature showing what we're going to be painting. Again, this is really nice to reference. As I said in my Paint by Numbers whip and chat the other day. Sometimes when you are painting, you're just following the instructions and you're not sure exactly what finished part of the painting you're actually working on. Being able to refer back to a colour image of the original artwork is really lovely. And this is a really nice size and good quality image. It's not poor quality printing at all. What else do we have here? This is Ken, who I have chatted with a bit from Ledge Bay. It's got a little My Story card here. It says, thank you, sending a warm hug from our team to you. I have to say, having spoken to Ken via email a couple of times, he is lovely and very easy to communicate with. As so often with Paint by Numbers, we also get the little fixings should you decide to mount this onto a frame. We get some pretty good quality, actually, wooden brushes, much nicer than the plastic ones that you sometimes get. Ledge Bay do sell their own like luxury brushes, which I am tempted to get some of at some point in the future. They are designed specifically for very tiny detailed work. These are pretty good though. We've got large flat and some pointy ones. Very nice. And then we've got our paints, which come pre-numbered. I'm just going to move you out a little bit. And you can see all the nice colours. And then if you look at the sort of thing that we're expecting from the picture, you can see obviously the sort of colours and the sort of thing that we're going to be creating. I'm very pleased with this. Yeah, nicely packaged. We've got licensed artwork, and at the moment, and obviously pricing on Amazon changes all the time, but at the moment, to get another floral design, which is called, I've lost the name of it. I think it was called, yeah, it's called October. So it's slightly more autumnal colours, but it's still flowers in vases. What would have originally been $23.99 for the same size as this, you will be only paying today $16.99 plus Prime free 1-day shipping. So if you want to try out Paint by Numbers, you want to get licensed artwork from a good company, I would say this is a good way to check them out. £17, and you will have hours of fun working on this. It's incredibly clear print. Just bring you back down again so you can see. So yes, this is, here we're looking at the what we're looking at here. So this here is this very detailed section in the middle of this painting here, and yeah, I think you can still see each number individually. It's very clear where you need to be working, and because the original artwork is very painterly, I think it will turn out really nicely when reproduced as Paint by Numbers. So yeah, I would say, certainly from my experience so far, lovely customer service. I have been very pleased. I do wish that I could purchase direct from their site rather than going through Amazon, but I also understand the difficulties of shipping abroad. So if you are based in the US, then you can purchase direct from them. And for those of us in the UK, then we've still got the ability to purchase from their Amazon site. If you are in any way confused or concerned about where the best place for you to purchase would be, I would say go to their website, drop them an email. They've been really helpful. I'm going to leave this here. I'm sure you will see me working on this probably not this side of Christmas, but this is probably something that I might do for a spring event or one of the summer events. Either way, I'm very much looking forward to getting on to work on it next year. So I'm going to leave this here. Please do remember, every like, share helps the channel a lot, more ways than you could ever imagine, and costs you nothing. Please do consider to subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!